Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into Adobe Photoshop to learn how to rotate your canvas. Whether you are correcting an image orientation or just need a better working angle for digital painting, these techniques will master your workflow in no time. If you find this guide helpful, please take a second to hit that like button and subscribe for more professional design tutorials. Let us jump right into our first method. The first way to rotate your canvas is by using the Image menu. This method permanently alters the rotation of your file in your workspace. Start by opening your document in Photoshop. Once your file is open, move your cursor up to the top menu bar and click on Image. From the drop-down menu, select Image Rotation. You will see several options here designed for quick adjustments. You can choose 90 degrees clockwise, 90 degrees counterclockwise, or a full 180-degree flip. If you have a specific angle in mind, click on Arbitrary. This opens a dialog box where you can type in any precise degree and choose whether to rotate it clockwise or counterclockwise. Once you click OK, the entire canvas rotates instantly. This is perfect for permanent fixes to your photography or document layout. Now let us look at the second method, which is the Rotate View tool. This is a game changer if you are a digital artist or retouching complex edges, because it only rotates your view. It does not actually change the orientation of the pixels in your file. To use this, look at your toolbar or simply press the R key on your keyboard. Once the tool is active, click and drag your mouse anywhere on the canvas to rotate your view to any angle that feels comfortable for your hand. This is incredibly useful when you are sketching or trying to mask tricky areas. When you are finished and need to return to your original orientation, simply press the ESC key or click on the Reset View button in the top options bar. It will snap your canvas back to the default horizontal view instantly. By using these two methods correctly, you can dramatically speed up your efficiency in Photoshop. Whether you want a permanent change or just a temporary working angle, these tools have you covered. If this video helped you improve your design speed, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.